Then the most important choice is accessibility. There are lots of features here, and I will show you. This suspended ball, when you open it, your sidebar will become a suspended ball, and the features are here. But when sidebar shows like this, when you long press multifunction, you can't do multi windows and 2 split screen and 4 split screen. Then the sidebar control, you can choose button or gesture. When you choose gesture, the sidebar will hide, and when you do like this, the sidebar will appear. Then the NFC mode, we support NFC lock and unlock, and normally we use Horion Airpen mode for NFC lock and unlock. If you choose screen mirror, that supports some Android device and both supports NFC. Do screen mirror with 1 click. Then the default boot page, you can choose one that supports you to, when you boot up the panel, it will go to this page by default. And there is a time on or off. You can open and choose the time you want the panel to turn off or turn on, and choose the detailed day. Normally we can choose Monday to Friday for work day, and we choose 8 o'clock to turn on, and the shutdown time, that depends on you. Then the AirPen key function is combined with our Horion smart pen. I will show you soon. And there is a display mode. When you open this, it will become an eye protection mode, and you can choose the color temperature. Then the random hotspot passwords. When you open this, the hotspot passwords will be a random number. Then the global annotation. This feature is for annotation, and when you open it, you can slide up and down easily. But when you use the pen, it will recognize the pen and go to annotation mode. And the annotation bar is here. You can choose brush and other things just like annotation. Then the settings log. If you open this, you can set password for the settings, the whole page, and if you do not know the password, you can't get into the settings. And the screen lock is the same, the application lock is also the same. Application lock supports you to choose any application inside the system to do this lock. Then the auto sleep, if you choose auto sleep time, it will go to sleep mode directly, automatically in the time you choices. Then the printing, we support print feature, and any printer with MOPRIA protocol or supports. And there is a source auto switch. If you open it and you insert HDMI cable or insert OPS into the panel, it will go to the new source directly. Slide to the right to quickly start on the home page. You can open it and select the application. That means when we turn off it, we slide and there is a interface that shows the application you just used. But when we open this feature, you can choose the application just like AI or Boost or other applications. I choose Chrome here, and also you can choose a source like OPS, DP, other sources here. And now I'll show you when I choose Chrome. And back to the home page, when I slide, it will go to Chrome directly. And there is a device selection. You can select the device if you have external devices. Then this service is for EDLA certification, nothing to do with your daily use. And there is the smart camera. You can change the framing mode. We have 5 modes for use, and you can choose speaker mode. Speaker mode means it will recognize who is speaking and focusing on the speaker. Then ordinary preview is what the camera sees. It will show that. And the auto framing will recognize how many people in the meeting room, and autofocus on all the people and circle all the people in the camera. Then the EPTZ is a PTZ feature, and you can preset the position and save this, and you can choose this, and when you go to any meeting room, it will go to the position you preset directly. Then last one, the gallery mode. The gallery mode is for multi people inside the meeting room, and it will recognize all the people faces inside the meeting room, and will divide our image into different pieces. Then we have features that named gesture framing mode switching, and it will show like this. When you do this gesture, and the camera mode will change. And we support parameter adjustment. You can choose to change the brightness, the contrast, saturation, and other parameters for the camera. Then the intelligent audio mode, our panel supports intelligent noise reduction, and you can open it here. Then the launcher select, you can select Google Launcher and Horion Launcher, change to Google Launcher here, and actually we suggest you to use Horion Launcher because there are more features in Horion Launcher and Google Launcher do not have. And one more thing about interface, when you click Android versions for several times, the Horion setting menu will come out, and there is a device permission. You can choose the device permission here. Touch lock will lock the touch, and IR lock will lock the IR infrared, and keypad lock will lock the power button. Application install, if you turn off it, you can't install application via APK format, and there is external storage. If you turn off it, your USB drive can't be recognized in the panel. And then the whiteboard, there are some choices for whiteboard. You can turn on it. Actually, we will turn on it by default. And there are some preferences. You can set stop up source, change the logo, restore default logo, replace applications on homepage. If you turn on it, there will be some choice in accessibility, and you can hide sidebar, choose Windows mode. Windows mode means when you turn on this panel, it will go to Windows, go to OPS Windows mode source by default, and the sidebar will disappear. For the mode, if you choose personal mode, the sidebar will come like this, but we choose routine mode as default. And there is a restore factory settings also here.